All party after.
Going to our this in our melters before.
Hello, good morning. So ngayon kasi birthday ng isa sa mga best friends ko, and so basically mag-workshop muna kami ng 2 PM. So i-share ko na lang din sa inyo yung day ko. And then magdi-dinner kami. Yeah, samahan niyo na lang ako. Little update guys, nandito na ako sa venue. Nasa bundok ako. Joke. Hindi, pero medyo totoo. Okay, nasa bundok na tayo guys. O sa may Antipolo, Taytay area. So, yun lang update. Galing akong Ortigas din kasi hinatid ko yung friend ko doon. Pero nandito na ako ngayon sa bundok. Amoyin niyo. Joke. Ito na yung final. First. Hindi ko maalam. So,
then we're going to be putting this in our melters before we actually work on
sakto na. 20 ml. You can see it.
but not over and over kasi malulusaw yung let go.
Let go.
These two I have to remind.
I know.
Let go. That's right. Remove the sticker, the wax paper. Ano yan? Mag-melt siya ulit. Remember, the candle is from you to Leah, and then the other one is from Leah to you. So you can actually do it alternating, parang hindi nyo pinanggigigil. Did you want it already?
It's just hard.
Alright, so I think you're gonna sige.
Hello guys. So, kakauwi ko lang Pero share ko lang guys, kasi hindi ko alam kung nagets yun na naman yung context ng nangyari today. Birthday ng best friend ko. Punta kami sa Antipolo, sa Body Food. Nakakatuwa. All sorts of natural stuff. And ako, mahilig ako sa mga ganun. Parang to celebrate her birthday, she decided to have us over and then organize this workshop for all of us. And nakakatuwa, diba? Siya yung may birthday pero siya yung nag-organize. So I'll just share a little bit about what happened. She also owns 4 Keeps. Si Leah, my good friend, kasi I really made sure na I'm there for her birthday kasi we go way back and she's always been supportive of me, especially sa mga weird ideas ko. Like right now, diba, I'm doing music, which was really not something people thought I would do at a certain time in my life. So, she's always been supportive. Kaya pag birthday niya or may ganap siya, I'm always there. We did this parang natural balm or lip balm, ganyan. And ito yung isa sa brands nila, 4 Keeps. So, ito siya. 4 Keeps. And I really love their stuff kasi they even have this parang small, what's this? Parang, soap na sobrang cute. Sobrang liit. So, I really love their products kasi all natural siya. And meeting Anna, she's really hands-on and knowledgeable. Sobrang knowledgeable siya about all these stuff. As in, you can tell by just being in her presence na she knows what she's talking about. And she really studied it. And she's passionate about it. And alam mo ko guys, mahilig ako sa mga taong passionate kasi passionate ako. And nakakahawa talaga yung mga ganong tao. I love their energy. Kasi when you're around them and they start talking about what they love doing, what they love the most. Like, for her, it's really parang apothecary eh. Pero, it's like with essential oils and infusions and all of that. They just glow pag gusto nila yung ginagawa nila, and I love seeing that in people. Nag-play kami with scents and hindi niya nilagyan ng label para walang biases when it comes to the smell. Ayan, ito na siya. So, nag-mix kami, which I really enjoy. Mahilig ako maghalo-halo ng mga stuff. And ito siya, gumawa kami ng maliit na ganito. Pero it's just, gumawa kami basically ng scent. Mine, actually yung pagka-linament yung smell. Pero I love it. Mahilig kasi ako citrusy na smell eh. Nagawa na kami ng balm, which her balms are made of beeswax, which I love. Actually, ang ng texture ng beeswax, like pag nilagay mo siya sa skin, sobrang parang smooth, parang nag-glide siya. Anyway, so yon, ang saya lang, gumawa kami ng product. So, una namin ginawa is a lip balm. Yung lip balm na, ang cute nga niya, ipupush mo lang siya sa ilalim. Ganun. Nagtuturo din kasi si Anna sa workshop dito sa Body Food. And all natural to. Marami siyang oils na parang ipapapili niya sa'yo. Pero ako, ang pinili kong oils, based sa tinest ko sa skin ko, and parang yun yung nag-respond ng okay, is flaxseed oil, what else? Chia seeds oil, yung pili nut pulp oil, and then a little bit of black cumin oil. So yun yung hinalo ko dito sa balm ko kasi yun yung parang pinaka-okay sa akin skin-wise nung tinetesting ko. Majority of it, syempre para mag-stabilize siya, is beeswax. So ayan ang cute niya. Tingnan niyo guys. May butas siya kasi daw parang mainit kasi to pag pinor. So parang pag lumamig na siya, may nangyayaring something. Kaya nagkakaroon ng small na butas dyan. But it's all natural and I made it. And then, on the other side of it, gagawa ka din ng tinted version of this. Which I thought, oh, great idea. Kasi for events, I can use it. And it's all natural. Anyway, ang hirap mag-blend ng color kasi yung akin gusto ko natural lang. Gusto ko yung parang, natural. Then, this is the one we made. They gave us this included in the workshop. Ay, as an OC person, hindi pantay yung mga design. Wait lang, ba't ganun? Yan. So, basically, ganito siya. Ito yung lalagyan mo lang siya ng onting color and bahala ka kung gaano dami ilalagay mo. Yung akin, natural lang yan. Like, parang pag nilagay mo siya, parang wala nga eh. Which is what I want. So, maganda rin yung natural. Ako kasi I love natural stuff. Minsan nga medyo nag-iimbento ko ng mga sarili kong stuff eh. Gumagawa-gawa din ako ng face oil, ganun, para sa sarili ko, na more natural. The rest, tinatamad ako, so hindi na siya sobrang natural. Pero yun. So, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys for context. Anyway guys, thank you for joining me. Kung nagugustuhan nyo guys yung pag-share ko about my life. Comment down below para alam ko na nagustuhan nyo. Tapos gagawa ako ng more. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yun lang. Ang gulo. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog and thank you so much for supporting me. I hope that you can subscribe, hit the like button, click the notification bell so that you're always updated when I upload videos. And I hope you can comment down below, share your thoughts, share your ideas, and if you have any content ideas for me that you want me to do, you can comment it down below. And hope you can follow me also on all my social media accounts. It's me, Ethan Wang. Thank you so much. Peace.